Hello everyone. To create flowchart in Google Docs, first step, open a Google Docs and on the top menu, click on File, and from this menu, click on Page Setup and change orientation from portrait to landscape and click on OK. Now on the top menu, click on Insert. From Drawing, click on New. Now on the top toolbar, click on Shape, and from Shape section, add any shape based on your needs and to create a flowchart. For example, I choose first this one, and you can, with your mouse, you can change the and move the shape or change the size. Another shape. After you select any shape with your mouse, you must make a shape. Another. Also, you can copy paste any shape you create to increase your speed. And for example, another shape, this time choose, put any shape in one line to, when you want connect each other, have a straight arrow, and another. After you add any shape you want in any direction based on your need, and from line tools, next the line tools, click on drop down arrow and choose arrow. After you choose arrow, when move your mouse any shape, you can connect, click and drag the line between any shape, and another, all shape connect to each other. Again, I must choose. If the shape not in the same direction, click on the select icon and move your shape to one direction. And also, if you want connect in other way, for example this shape to the first shape, click on again drop down arrow next to line tools, and this time you can choose elbow connector or curved connector based on your choose. I choose elbow connector, and from this to this shape. Also for example this shape to this shape. As you see, again back the select icon, again click on that line we create. You can choose and change the line direction from this line start and line end. For example, line start this one and line end this one. As you see, change. For this one, start from here and end from here. We change the end line, as you see. Also, if you want to click any line, you can change the size. For example, I change the size and bolder any line based on your needs. And after all them, you can also change the color or the background of them, the border of them. And also, if you want, make a description, for example this line explanation, and for that use text box on the toolbar, and from here draw a text box, and now you can write your text. For example, for this we say fail, and you can with your mouse change the text box. For this one again text box and fail. Also, if you want write in any shape, double click on it, and you can, for example, start this one, for example test 1, and other one from here end, and you can add any text you want in any shape. After any change and you make your flow chart for add in your document, click on save and close on the top and wait to load. As you see, our shape flow chart add to document. If you want edit this flow chart, double click on it, and after that again you are in drawing section, you can double click any text, add text or edit text, and add shape or delete shape, any change you want. Again after that click on save and close. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more videos. Thanks for watching.